When you log on to the 3DEXPERIENCE platform in the web browser, you are using dashboards. You got a list of dashboards under this hamburger menu, and each dashboard have a name. And some dashboards might be managed by other people and shared with you. So dashboards have a tendency to multiply over time, and if you are like me, you probably have several dashboards in this list. So how do you tell them apart? I'm going to show you a couple of things you can do to make it easier for you to find the right dashboard. So watch this to see how you can do that. First of all, let us get a couple of things out of the way. When you use a dashboard and then log off, you will see the same dashboard when you log in again, so that you can pick up your work where you left it. However, you can also choose a default dashboard so that in your next session you always start in that default dashboard. You might have seen that some of the dashboards are called cockpits. These behave like regular dashboards but are given to you as part of a role that you have been assigned. If you want to know how to create a dashboard, my colleague Anders made a great video about that, so go and see that one. So you have all these dashboards. I will show you a couple of nice tricks to make it easier for you to find the right dashboard. To be able to do this, you must be the owner of the dashboard. If someone else has shared the dashboard with you, you might not be the owner. So in that case, tell the dashboard owner to watch this video. Number 1, change the title of the dashboard. The dashboard list is actually alphabetical, so take that into consideration when giving a name to the dashboard. For instance, adding the number 1 in front of the dashboard name will put it on top of the list. Adding the number 2 will put that underneath. Number 2, drag the dashboard to the favorite section. Like this. It will then be put on top of the list. You can add other dashboards to the favorite list as well. Number 3, add an emoji to the dashboard title. You can do this by hitting Windows plus the punctuation mark button. Choose a color or a symbol to make the dashboard stand out in the list. Number 4, and this is my favorite, you can change the dashboard icon to something else. All new dashboards that you create will get this gray symbol, but it can be changed actually. You can upload either a JPEG or a SVG file, or enter a URL where the image is stored. You can double click the dashboard icon to enter the dashboard management window, and then you can drag in a JPEG image like this. So I made these images in a PowerPoint file, a 4:3 ratio PowerPoint file. And if I exit the window, the image will be changed to the new icon. So double click this gray icon, drag in a JPEG file, and you're good to go. You can actually also store the images on the platform if you want to, and drag them in also in the same window. For instance, dumping the images into a bookmark so that other colleagues might share the same images for their own dashboards. Number 5, and this one is a little bit special. And it is for those situations where you are in a dashboard already and want to be reminded what dashboard you're in. So even if the platform shows you on the top of the page what dashboard you're in, it can be useful to have an image in the background that adds a color to your dashboard, so that you get a subtle indication on what dashboard you're in. In this case, it's a solid green color, indicating that I'm in my own dashboard, and I can put a different image in my team's dashboard like this. So I go the same place, double click on the dashboard icon to enter the dashboard management window, adding a background image, and then pressing apply, and then you see the change. So you are in control. This particular image is not that subtle at all, I would say, but it's up to you. So there you have it, a couple of easy techniques to help you separate your dashboards so that you can easily find the right one. What is your method to help you distinguish the dashboards? Maybe you are using some of these techniques already or knows a different method that works for you. If you do, please share it in the comments. That's it for today. See you next time.